We are fitting our tailored seat covers to a Vauxhall Vivaro. This is the variant with the single piece base for the passenger seat. There are two options here, but today we've got the single piece base, which is the part number TA4416. Starting with the driver's seat, and first things, I'll bring the seat forward to make that easier to fit and take the headrest out, because we need that to fit the cover over, and then we can put the headrest cover on first. With the headrest covers, first thing is matching the seams up, so then you know you've got the cover the right way round, looking where the curves go, and just matching those up. Making sure it's all on nice and secure, and then matching up all the fastenings so it stays nice and in place. The main part of this cover is one piece, so there's only one large bit to deal with. Make sure you've undone all the fastenings on the side, and we'll place it over the top, making sure you've got the Town & Country logo in the top left corner of the seat. Just tucking in all the bits around the headrest fastenings, pulling the rest of the cover down over the seat. Once you've undone the fastenings that will go underneath, just fit things around the front to make sure we've got everything in the right place. And there is a tuck-in piece of foam here that we stick between the base and the backrest, so that cover will stay nice and secure in place. So we have a tuck-in piece of rope here, so if we put that between the cloth and the foam of the seat and the plastic housing, that's going to help keep everything in place. And making sure we get that all nice and neat so that cover isn't going to move around or go anywhere. So we've got this hook and loop fastening here that we're going to put around the back of the cover, and that's going to meet up with another piece we've got at the front here, and they're going to meet up underneath the seat just another way to keep that cover nice and in place. With that connected, you've got good fastenings around the whole of the seat cover, and then just a little bit of tidying up there, and then fitting it round the armrest. So tucking the binding round. There's two bits of Velcro, or two fastenings here. One above the armrest, or just below the armrest, and then one just below the seat adjuster. And we can tuck that in behind, so we've got access to that, and it's nice and neat. And the last part here is just to get the armrest on. We've got an elasticated opening, just slips on the armrest facing inwards and goes there, and you've got a nice fitting armrest. Just to finish up, headrest back in, just tidy any bits up and put the seat back into your driving position, and you're all done. So this is our tailored driver's seat cover for the Vauxhall Vivaro, which will also fit the Peugeot Expert, the Citroën Dispatch, the Toyota Pro-Ace, and the newest Fiat Scudo. It's waterproof material, going to protect the seat very well. Hard wearing, we guarantee these for 5 years. It's tailored to fit this seat. We've got multiple ways that it fastens and stays in place. We've got some tuck-in rope here. We've got some hook and loop fastenings to go underneath the cover to keep everything where it should be, as well as some elasticated parts around the armrest to keep that where it needs to be.